Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some new things that I purchased from the store yesterday. So I have some goodies and I just want to share them with you guys. So we're just going to jump right into it because I'm excited. Anywho, this, you guys, is the Sony CYBERSHOT in black. It is the model DSC HX80. The price point for this was $379 at the exchange. Everything that I showed today, I will put a link to on Amazon in the description box, you guys. So I just want to pretty much do an unboxing, you know, see what we got in here. Okay, what do we have? So inside, it's pretty simple, pretty straight to the point. I'm gonna open up the camera first. So this is the camera. How cute is that? Does it open? Oh yes, it does. It opens like this. So when I'm vlogging, I can actually see myself. See myself. Okay? So, yeah. So it has a good, nice size viewfinder. It's pretty lightweight, I would have to say. It does look like up here, where at the bottom there is a stand for the tripod to connect, and then all of your functionality as well as like your zoom, lens, and camera. So that's pretty neat. And it says it has a 30x optical zoom. Okay, so also you get your battery pack. Looks like this here. It's a lithium battery. You get your USB plug. Does it ever agitate anybody else that they only give you a USB wire and not like, what's the thing called? The wall charger piece, you know, that goes into the socket. Like, what if you just want to charge your camera through the wall, like, and not connect it to the computer? Why they don't give you the other piece of the adapter? But that's just my own thing. So you get a pretty lengthy USB cord that comes with it. Oh wait, I lied, y'all. They gave us one. That's what you get for talking smack. So you do get an adapter with this camera, and fits like so. And then you also get a wrist strap. Moving on. It's probably what I'm most excited about. Well, actually, no. We're gonna go. Let me hold my horse. Okay, so if you're like me, somebody who is always having to delete stuff to have space, I needed a what is this called? SD card. This is 128 gigabytes. It has 4K UHD video. It can store up to 320 minutes of that type of video. You can get 800 photos on this size and 1,040 songs stored on here. It is waterproof, temperature proof, shock proof, and X-ray proof. And it does come with a lifetime limited warranty. So this is my SD card. Alrighty. And last but not least, you know, you don't feel like a vlogger unless you got a real good tripod, right? You know, all in one kit. So we purchased this Go Viral DigiPower Superstar Essential Vlogging Kit. So inside of it, it says that it features a video light that is compact, rechargeable, uses 50 LEDs to illuminate your video shoot. 3 color diffusers are included to create different lighting effects. It comes with a compact shotgun mic, a tripod, and a bracket, okay? And it says that it can be used for action cameras, for smartphones, for DSLR, and mirrorless cameras. So I can vlog from my phone, I can vlog from our new camera, or I can vlog from my photography camera, which is a DSLR. So that's pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and just open it and see what everything is looking like. Jesus. This is hard. It's hurt my finger. All right, you guys. So when we first open it, it comes in this compartment like this. So this is my first time seeing it. They don't even really show you all of this even in the store. I'm so excited. I feel like now I need to start a podcast. Look at this little mic. Don't a little podcast official? Hey, you guys, and welcome back to the Kenley Kamara podcast. Like, who can't do it? Who can't do it? Okay, so anyway, this is the microphone. You can choose between the phone or camera option as far as what you are hooking it up to. And then it does have a red button on the side to let you know when it is functioning. And it has the mount on the bottom so that you can mount it to whatever you're using it with. I don't want to lay this right here. Okay. Then we have a CR2 lithium battery that comes with it. This little tripod is cute. Okay. A Digi Power tripod. But here you have an area that functions as a remote, and it is labeled by a picture of a camera on the front. So I'm guessing you can kind of tell it what to do while it's hooked up to whatever it's hooked up to. That's a pretty decent tripod. Standing up, it's pretty good height. It's lightweight, which was important to me because I wanted to make sure that while I was carrying it around, it wasn't too heavy, because some tripods can be extremely bulky. So I didn't want something that was too bulky. Also, another USB. Looks like a micro USB wire that comes with it. This is, I know part of this goes to like the mounting function. Smartphone in action, yeah, part of the camera mount. So that's a piece there. This is the LED light. I probably shouldn't take that off yet. This is the LED light. This is the vlogging bracket. It says bracket. No, smartphone and action camera mount. So you will hook your mic up to this. So we're gonna put it all together, you guys, so that then we can see it fully functioning, because obviously it's not labeled. And then we have these 3 filter cards in this like almost peach, maybe red filter, a white filter, and a baby blue filter. So let's put it together and see what it looks like. the new baby into the family, okay? Listen. So, as y'all can see from the prior clip, your girl had a few struggles getting this together, but it's okay. My production team is A1, okay? My one-man team, A1, okay? Anywho, so let's just get into a few little specs about this camera. So, and the tripod stand itself. So the first thing that I absolutely love is the fact that there is a Bluetooth remote in this stand, honey. Do you know what that means? That means when I start vlogging, I ain't got to reach my hand on the back of the camera and turn it on, okay? Ain't that good? I'll insert a clip here for you to see exactly how that works. Okay, so next thing, the microphone. Now with this particular camera, you guys, the microphone is your standard aux plug, so we will have to get a compatible wire so that we can hook it together to make it micro USB to go into the back of, to the side of my camera, because this is not, there's not a jack for this. Other than that, the LED light is crazy bright. Show you guys that. Oh Lord, like a football game. Very bright, very bright. So it does come with 3 shades that go over it to kind of take that sting out of the eye. But you know, we'll see what it looks like when we start officially vlogging on this camera. The only other things that I wanted to point out about the tripod, again, it's super lightweight. The piece that you need to mount your phone is actually on the inside of the tripod legs. It holds on the inside, so they do provide you with that. Other than that, I think it's pretty amazing. Like I said, other than the aux being different for my camera, it's actually very compatible to the camera as well as my phone. I've hooked the Bluetooth up to my iPhone and I was able to take pictures and take video. So as far as the quality of the camera, we'll get into that on another video, but I just wanted to introduce you guys to the new Candidly Kamara visual team, okay? This is our new baby. So I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into this week's video. If you know anything about our Sony CyberShot camera, please let me know. I would love to learn more, and I'll be back with the part 2. Thanks so much. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you are always alerted when my new fire drops, okay? See you next time.